because she had lower back and she had injury at work, and we started working on her. Now with the pregnancy and adding some extra weight in the front, that has made some of the aches and pains more. So we've been adjusting for quite a few months now, and it gives her a lot of relief. That's her little one. And when we're adjusting her spine, because she's pregnant, we don't have her lay face down, which is most people are kind of worried about things like that. So we try to do it as much gentle as we can, and we're going to put a very little to no pressure absolutely on the stomach, okay? What we're going to do is we put this board behind her, and we're going to use that, and what we're going to do at this point is have her crisscross her arms, and then there are some certain spots that are really more tender than others, so we're going to work on adjusting those. But I'm going to have her lay, take your head low, take a deep breath in, let it go. There we go. One more, take a deep breath, let it go. There we go. Now, was there any pressure on your stomach?
No.
Okay. All the way back now. One more. There we go. Fantastic. Now come on your side, face me this way. There we go. Come around the other side. Let's straighten that out. There we go. Come on up. We also adjust her wrist because usually in late-term pregnancies, everything starts swelling, especially closer to the due date. So wrists are a little bit tender as well. So we also work on adjusting her wrist. There we go. Excellent. Good.